Subject EC8501 Digital Communication for 3rd year 5th semester ECE students Regulation 2017. Unit 1 Information Theory, Unit 2 Waveform Coding and Representation, Unit 3 Baseband Transmission and Reception, Unit 4 Digital Modulation Scheme, Unit 5 Error Control Coding. Unit 1 Information Theory. In information theory, we are going to study about discrete memoryless sources, information, entropy, mutual information, discrete memoryless channels, binary symmetric channels, channel capacity, source coding theorems, especially Shannon-Fano and Huffman codes. Introduction to information theory. Information theory is a branch of probability theory which may be applied to the study of communication systems that deals with the mathematical modeling and analysis of communication system rather than using physical sources and physical channels. Lord Shannon, who is the father of information theory. Information source, an object which produces an event that outcomes of which is selected at random manner according to a probability distribution. A practical source in a communication system is a device which produces messages. It can be either analog or discrete. Discrete source, it has a only finite set of symbols as possible outputs. The set of source symbols is called as source alphabet and the elements of this set are called symbols or letters. Continuation. Suppose that a experiment involves observation of output emitted by a discrete source during every signaling interval. The source output is modeled as a stochastic process, a sample of which is denoted by discrete random variable S. S takes the values from S0 to k minus 1 with probability of S equal to S, k equal to pk. K tends to 0 to k minus 1. Logarithmic measure of information. Let us consider a discrete memoryless source denoted by x and having alphabets x1 to xm. The information content of the symbol xi denoted by I of xi is defined as I of xi, that is information content equal to minus log to the base b p of xi, where p of xi is the probability of occurrence of a symbol xi. For any two independent source messages xi and xj with probability pi and pj respectively, the joint probability is denoted as p of xi, xj equal to pi, pj. The information of the message is the sum of information in each message. I equal to I plus ij. Classification of information sources. Information sources can be classified into two types, memory or being memoryless. A source with memory means a current symbol depends on the previous symbols. Memoryless source means each symbol produced in independent of previous symbol. Discrete memoryless source. Discrete memoryless source characterized by the list of symbols, the probability assignment to these symbols and the specification of the rate of generating these symbols by the source. Elements of information theory. It contains two important elements. They are binary source and the binary symmetric channel. Binary source is a device which generates two possible symbols 0 and 1 at a given rate or measured in symbols per second. These symbols are called bits. binary digits and generated randomly. The binary symmetric channel is a medium through it which is possible to transmit one symbol per time unit. Uh, it, the condition for PS is 0 lesser than or equal to P lesser than or equal to half. Block diagram of information theory. In transmitter side, the information will be produced by source, then it will give to the source coding block. The source, after the source coding, channel coding was done, then the coded information go to the modulation block. After the modulation block, the modulated information go through the channel and enter in the receiver side. In receiver side, the coded information demodulated, then it decoded source and channel decoding was done. Finally, it reached the destination. Analysis of information theory. Information theory tries to analyze communication between transmitter and receiver through an unreliable channel. In this approach, performs the analysis of information sources, especially the amount of information produced by the given source, states the condition for performing reliable transmission through an unreliable channel. Thank you.